The first reason to consider removing insulation is if it's old and deteriorated. Insulation that's past its prime can cause more harm than good. It can become less effective over time, causing your energy bills to rise and your home to feel less comfortable. Another reason to remove insulation is if it's been damaged by pests. Rats, mice, and insects can infest and damage insulation, reducing its effectiveness. If you notice signs of pest activity in your insulation, it's time to consider removing and replacing it. The third reason to remove insulation is if it's been affected by water damage. Insulation that's been soaked with water can breed mold and mildew, which can be harmful to your health. In such cases, it's necessary to remove the damaged insulation and replace it with new material. Lastly, if you're planning a major home renovation project, you might need to remove insulation to make way for new construction. While it's an extra step, it's often necessary to ensure the best results for your renovation project.